When it comes to your home or business in Moreno Valley, there's one system protecting everything you care about, and most people don't even know it exists. Your backflow prevention system. It's the unsung hero standing guard, keeping contaminated water from entering your clean water supply. But here's the truth. If it fails, the consequences can be catastrophic, which is why Pure Valley Plumbing exists. Think about this. Every single day, thousands of commercial buildings and residences across Moreno Valley depend on backflow prevention systems that are outdated, untested, or completely failing. Restaurants serving food, hospitals saving lives, apartment complexes housing families, office buildings full of workers, all vulnerable, all at risk. They don't even know it. Contaminated water doesn't announce itself. It doesn't wait for a convenient time. It strikes without warning. The question isn't if you'll need backflow testing and repair, it's when. This is where Pure Valley Plumbing changes everything. For over 7 years, we've been Moreno Valley's most trusted name in plumbing excellence. Our team of 120 skilled professionals, armed with cutting-edge technology and decades of combined expertise, are ready to protect what matters most to you. Our fully equipped service vans are strategically positioned across North Moreno Valley, Moreno Valley Ranch, Rancho Balago, and every neighborhood in between because we're local. We're here. We understand your community. Backflow testing, repair and replacement isn't just a service to use, it's a calling. We're EPA LEED Safe certified. We're California licensed master plumbers. We're backflow prevention and cross-connection control certified. We don't cut corners. We don't make excuses. We deliver results, whether your system needs a comprehensive annual inspection, emergency repairs, or a complete replacement. Pure Valley Plumbing has the knowledge, the credentials, and the commitment to get it done right. Speed matters. Your time matters. Your safety matters. That's why Pure Valley Plumbing offers 24/7 emergency response, guaranteed response within 60 minutes. Not hours, minutes. When backflow issues strike at 2 a.m. or on holiday weekends, we're there. Our fleet is ready. Our technicians are ready. Your peace of mind is our priority. Whether you're running a thriving restaurant in the heart of Moreno Valley, managing a multi-unit residential complex, overseeing a busy medical facility, or protecting a commercial operation in Riverside County, Pure Valley Plumbing is your answer. We serve the entire Moreno Valley area. Zip codes 9-551, 92552, 9253, 92554, 92555, and 92556. We know March Air Reserve Base. We know Box Springs Mountain Reserve. We know Lake Paris. We know your neighborhood. Because we're embedded in this community, our backflow solutions leverage advanced leak detection technology and sophisticated testing protocols that go beyond industry standards. We don't just meet requirements, we exceed them. Every test is thorough. Every repair is precise. Every replacement installation is built to last. We back up our work with industry-leading warranties, 12 months on parts and labor. That's not just a promise, that's our guarantee of excellence. The proof is in our track record. Excellence in plumbing services, quality craftsmanship, outstanding service quality recognition, most trusted plumbing company. These aren't hollow titles. They're earned through years of dedication, thousands of satisfied clients, and an unwavering commitment to doing things the right way. We've been recognized across Moreno Valley and Riverside County because we deliver. Choosing Pure Valley Plumbing for your backflow needs isn't an expense. It's an investment in protection, an investment in compliance, an investment in the health and safety of your family, your employees, your customers. It's the difference between wondering if your system is working and knowing it is. It's the confidence that comes from trusting true professionals. We believe quality plumbing solutions should be accessible to everyone. That's why we offer flexible financing options, senior discounts for those 42 and up, special rates for active duty and veteran military personnel, and transparent, competitive pricing. We accept cash, check, Visa, MasterCard, American Express, and Discover. We make it easy to protect your property and your community. Moreno Valley, it's time to stop waiting, stop wondering, stop putting your property, your business, and your family at risk. Pure Valley Plumbing is ready to deliver the backflow testing, repair, and replacement solutions you need today. Licensed, insured, certified, available 24/7, fully equipped. Fully committed. Don't just call any plumber. Call Pure Valley Plumbing, Moreno Valley's most trusted name in plumbing excellence. Experience the difference that real expertise, real dedication, and real local service makes. Your water, your health, your peace of mind. Trust Pure Valley Plumbing to protect it all.